Ready. Ready. Green, green, green.
Racing, green flag, super stock, heat race number 2.
Outside. Outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. He's looking. I tried to make a free wide, not there though. Still on the outside, still at the door. Looking. Inside. Inside. Clear down, clear down. Still loose? Loose, I can't even drive it. Sitting at 220 even with the fans on.
Waiting for some grip in there in the heat race, so we're going to throw the kitchen sink at it again the opposite direction and hope it works, but I don't know. The car was so good in preseason testing, I'm not sure what's happening. We'll figure it out.
Fire it up. Way to win the best command in Delaware history.
35 lap Super Delaware Speedway. Green flag, we're racing.
Green, green, green. Outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Check up, check up. Okay, hard low. Keep digging. Bottom 2 wide. Still there. You're good. Keep digging. Yellow's out. Yellow's out. Ready. Ready. Green, green, green. Inside. Inside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
Good run out of turn number 4. We got contact 4 wide. That's a strike.
Still green, keep digging. Inside. Still there. Still there, still there. Clear, clear, clear. Let's get some of those spots back. We kind of got screwed over there. Outside, outside. Nice move. Outside. Clear inside. Still on your outside. Clear outside. 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 Clear outside. It's staying at 230. I backed off, I got to 225, I fell to the top 10 again. Ready. Green, green, green. Inside. Inside, keep digging. Top of 3. Inside. 3 wide. Keep digging. Keep rolling that. Oh my God. You good? Yeah, the car's done. Don't see any tire ups, so I mean just hold your spot for now. The speed from the pit, how bad does it look? Oh, that side looks fine though, it doesn't look like anything's rubbing. Ready, green, green, green. Inside, inside, inside. Still there. All clear. Inside. Keep digging, keep digging. Check up, check up. Keep digging, keep digging. All clear inside. Clear all around. Alright, good job. I mean, we kind of got a few times there.
Well, this is what a good night at the racetrack looks like. Not. Yep, she was a rough one tonight. Still wheel her home to a top 10 finish though. Not the way we wanted to do it, but we were overheating all day, and I think unfortunately the motor might be laying down, so we're gonna have to look at that this week, and I don't know what else, but it was just a busy night with only 2 divisions on the card, and everyone was racing like donkeys. I'm bringing that saying back, donkeys. Anyways, appreciate everybody watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us. And yeah, we'll get her fixed up, and we'll be back and ready for Delaware Speedway next Friday night.